What's going on, Next Level? Welcome to another video. My name is Mike Angelo. Today we're going to be doing a burst fade. We're going to be breaking it down step by step. That way you guys know exactly how we do it. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys subscribe. With that being said, let's get to it. Let's go. We're going to be kicking off this tutorial working with the top. We're creating a nice profile right in the middle of his head, creating sections, that way we stay organized throughout the whole haircut and we know that each side is even. From the back, we're going to be taking off about 1.5 inches and we're going to work our way longer once we get towards the forehead. We want to make sure that we are doing sections as we go. That way we know that both sides are even. And also towards the end, we're going to be doing a little bit of slide cutting and giving it some texture on top. Our first step towards the fade, we're going to be doing a bald guideline using your trimmers. We're doing a burst fade, so you want to create a circle going around the ear, and you want to make sure you're always going down to the skin. Once you're done with the bald guideline, you want to make sure that you follow it up using your electric shaver. Our first guideline towards the fade is going to be using the clipper with no guard. We got the lever open and we're going up about 1 inch. To erase that guideline, you want to close the lever, work your way up, slowly opening it until that guideline is completely erased. Guideline number 2 is using the number 1 guard with the lever closed, going up about 1 inch. Once you set that guideline, we're going to erase it using the half guard with the lever open. We're going to slowly close it, flicking out until that guideline is completely erased. If the half guard doesn't completely erase it, you want to make sure you take off the clip and then use the lever open, flicking out and detailing that guideline out. Our third guideline is going to be using the 1.5 guard with the lever closed. We're going up about 1 inch. You want to make sure that you're consistent using your guidelines. To take off that guideline, we got the number 1 guard with the lever open, flicking out until that guideline is erased. We are eliminating guidelines as we go, so our next step is using the half guard with the lever open. Open and close the lever until that guideline is completely out. Our fourth guideline is going to be using the number 2 with the lever open, and we're scooping off the parietal ridge. Don't create a harsh guideline. We want to make sure that it's a smooth blend. Now we have to connect the fade with the number 2, so we're going to use the 1.5 guard with the lever open and slowly closing until everything is coming out nice and smooth. Now we're going to connect the fade with the long hair on top, so the best way to do that is clipper over comb. Once you're done with your steps, you always want to come back and detail work. This is the time when you look in the mirror, you double check your work. If you see any lines, if you see any dark spots, you always look back at the mirror. The mirror does never lie, and you detail. The more detail you put in, the better the fade is going to be. So now that the top is finished, the fade is completely done, you want to line up your client. So right now I'm doing the lineup on the C cup, and I'm going to do the lineup on the back and his neck to create that burst fade and run it with the straight razor. This is the final result, guys. If you guys are new to the channel, subscribe. If you guys like the video, hit the like button. My name is Mike Angelo. This is my time, and I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.